This is the 11th part of our second lesson on saying please. So open your books, page number 18, first paragraph. What struck me particularly? Look at the meaning of this word struck. Struck, it is past and past participle of strike. So what is the meaning of strike? Look at here. Strike, it means cause to have a particular impression. What struck me particularly was the ease with which he got through his work. So which thing, which particularly impressed the writer about the bus conductor is that whatever work the bus conductor was doing, that work he was doing easily in an easy way. If bad manners are infectious, look at the meaning of this word infectious. Infectious, it means likely to influence others. If bad manners are infectious, so also are good manners. So, if it is said that bad manners particularly infect the people very quickly. So, if a bad manner infect the people, so there are few people who have good behavior, good manner also. So that good manner also infect peoples. That good manner also have some kind of influence on people. If we encounter, look at the meaning of this word according to this lesson. Encounter, it means unexpectedly face with. Encounter incivility. See the meaning of this word incivility. Incivility, it means impoliteness. If we encounter incivility, most of us are apt. See the meaning of this word apt. Apt, it means appropriate, proper, or suitable. If we encounter incivility, most of us are apt to become incivil. So in life, particularly, many times we faced incivility, impoliteness, bad manner around us. And it is said that if we face impoliteness, incivility, so we also become uncivil. It means we also become impolite, rude person. But it is an unusual, uncouth meaning of this word is given here, impolite, unrefined. But it is an unusually uncouth person who can be disagreeable with sunny people. Sunny. What is the meaning of this word? Look at here. It means cheerful or happy. But it is an unusual, uncouth person who can be disagreeable with sunny people. So it is said that if we mostly encounter, face incivility, so we become incivil, we accept incivility. But there are few people who are incivil. They are not agree with this sentence that incivil makes people incivil and good manner makes people good person. So there are this kind of many people who won't be agree about these statements that there are few cheerful, few sunny people who can make the atmosphere very cheerful. It is the manner as with the weather. So as there is weather, in the same way there is manner. Weather, rainy season, winter, summer. There are three kinds of weather in India. In the same way, humans also have different kinds of manners. Nothing clear up my spirit like a fine day, said Keats. Now Keats, he is a very great poet. And a cheerful person descends on. See the meaning of this word, descends on. Descends on, it means make a sudden attack on. Descends on even the gloomiest. See the meaning of this word, gloomiest. Gloomiest, it means a person who feels depression. With us, gloomiest of us with something of the benediction of a fine day. Benediction. Meaning of this word is given here. Benediction, it means blessing. So there is a poet, Keats. What he says? Nothing cheer up my spirit like a fine day. If I am having a fine day, that time my spirit, my inner heart cheers up, become very happy. And a cheerful person descends on even the gloomiest of us with something of the benediction of a fine day. And if you have cheerful, happy people around you, and someday if you are gloomy, you are in a depression, you are very sad, so those people will automatically make you cheerful, make you happy, make you laugh. And so it was always fine weather on the polite conductor's bus. And whenever you travel in this conductor's bus, so that time you will see the atmosphere, the weather of this bus is very polite. and his own civility. His conciliatory. Conciliatory meaning of this word is given here, trying to win friendly feelings. And his own civility, his conciliatory address and good mannered bearing. Meaning of this word I have given you in the last part. Bearing, it means way of behaving. Infected his passengers. So mostly his own civility, the bus conductor's own civility, own politeness, his conciliatory address, speech, whenever he speak with the people, he try to make friendly contact with those people. His good humored bearing, his behavior, he had good humors which makes people, those passengers laugh. In this way, his atmosphere in that bus, he try to make some kind of good weather, some kind of loving, affectionate weather. In lightening their spirit, he lighted us own task. So when he was traveling, that time he was doing his own task, his own duty as a conductor. And when he works there, that time his spirit, his inner heart is always lightened. And that lightened heart makes every passenger lightened, feel very happy. The gaiety, look at the meaning of this word. It means the state of being cheerful. His gaiety was not a wasteful luxury but a sound investment. What is the meaning of sound? Look at here. According to this lesson, sound, it means reliable, secure, or excellent. His gaiety was not a wasteful luxury but a sound investment. So, the conductor had a cheerful behavior. His personality is very cheerful, make people laugh around him, make people happy around him, and therefore, whatever is his investment, that is very secure, very reliable. In return, he will get only cheer, happiness from the passengers. So in this way, we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you.